Hello nail friends, with you is Mariana in another educational nail tutorial. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, keep in mind that every week is coming new educational video which will help you to become a better nail technician. So here is the button, don't forget to subscribe. Today's video will be an interesting one. I will show you how to change the shape from ballerina to almond, how to do this smooth transition, and also an easy step. So make sure you watch until the end, because this was the request of my client. In the middle of the appointment, she said, I don't like ballerina anymore. Can we do almond shape? Sure, we can. And this is what you will see in this video tutorial. Please let me know if you had such situation when in the middle of appointment a client is asking you, let's change the shape. What shape have they requested? How did you solve this problem? I'm looking forward to read your comments and I'm answering to each of you. I'm looking forward the same to see your questions. Now let's get done the transformation. This set of nails was done 4 weeks ago, so it's the right time to do a nail fill. I started to do the product removal using a titanium bead at speed 35,000 RPM. During this time, I was asked my client how was her week, what color she wants to have, what designs, as usually discussion with clients. And she's thinking for a little bit and she's asking me, can we change the shape? And I was surprised and she said, I don't like to have ballerina this time. Can we change it to an almond shape? Sure, we can. Actually, thank you for my client who have requested to change the shape, because this way I was able to create this nail tutorial for you. Using a nail file 100 grit, I'm removing the length, then I'm lifting up the lower parallel. For almond shape, we need to have from the nail groove to the free edge a smooth curve lifted up. This is the job to do now. During this transformation, I also take in consideration a couple important things. So I'm lifting up the lower parallel, then I'm making sure we have the side dolls symmetric, and also an important is apex location. So I make sure the apex placement for almond shapes is in the middle of natural nail plate. The transformation is completed, so we change it from ballerina to almond shape. Please let me know in the comments below if you had any clients who have asked you for this request to change the shape, what shape they have requested, and how did you solve this problem. Using one of my favorite nail bit, which is red flame, I'm removing the pterygium and I'm preparing the cuticle for trim. The manicure type what I'm completing in this client is a combi style, and by the way, all the products what I'm using in this video you can find down below in description. They are all from Egoista store, and also I will include a 10% discount code for you, just in case if you want to use the same products as I do. After cleaning, changing the shape, so it's time for product application. I'm starting with acid-free primer, which works as double tape. I'm applying just near nail plate, so it's not necessary to apply to the entire nail. Then I'm applying a thin layer of rubber base coat to increase the layer of adhesion, just because I'm using a builder gel which require 3-step systems, which means you need a base coat. For nail strengthening, I will use a cover cream builder gel. This is an UV LED builder gel, self-leveling, and also doesn't have a burning sensation. I should say you will love it and your clients as well. The viscosity of the gel is medium. I will highly recommend this viscosity of builder gel for beginners or also for nail technician who's struggling with time during the appointment. The product is having self-leveling viscosity, but in the same time doesn't run in a sidles, so you'll have enough time to do a product application. And also this property will allow you to do the product with minimum top filing, as you see here on a video. It's necessary more like buffing, not a nail filing, which you save time and you save money on product. My nail friends, please like and subscribe to my channel and be the first one who will see my weekly educational nail video tutorials. And also I'm looking forward to receive suggestions. What type of other videos do you prefer to see on my channel? I can't wait to see your comments. For designs here we didn't have too much time because we spent a little bit more time on changing the shape, so we'll go with express nail art design. I'm using gel polish, this Almond color I will call more from Egoista. I'm applying on one layer, I cure in a lamp for 30 seconds, then I seal everything with matte top coat. The idea of this nail art design came with the request we do as much we have time. So let me know what you do with your clients when they're asking for specific nail art design and you don't have time. Do you trying to kind of do negotiation? Maybe we'll do another time, or you doing what they asking. I'm drawing here with the liner brush, same from Egoista. Links you'll find down below, and also I'm using a black gel paint. Egoista black gel paint doesn't have a dispersion layer, which is helping me to do the nail art after top coat application, and it's leaving after curing a glossy texture, and I want to have it matte, and this is the reason why I'm adding right now acrylic powder, clear acrylic powder to be more precise, and I cure in a lamp for 2 minutes. Please let me know if you like the transformation from ballerina to an almond shape and also this express nail art design. Have a great nail day and definitely see you next week on another video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on another video.